1,
I'll always remember, or I'll never forget.
2,
If I remember correctly, or as far as I can recall.
3,
I have a vague recollection of.
4,
It's on the tip of my tongue. Same of, I'm trying to remember, but I can't quite remember.
5,
My mind went blank. Same of, I couldn't remember or think of anything.
6,
It doesn't ring a bell. Same of, it doesn't sound familiar.
7,
Please remember to, or please don't forget to.
8,
I'd like to remind you about.
9,
You haven't forgotten to, or about, have you?
10,
It completely slipped my mind. Same of, I completely forgot about it.